What a beautiful day. Now I got Hairspray on DVD. I could finally watch it. Don't watch it. Huh? Just don't watch it. It has that scary 2010 Entertainment One logo. If it's scary, trust me. Oh no, it's Bart. It's Bert. And now you're talking about this 2010 Entertainment One logo? Well, put the disc in and see for yourself. Wait, let me see. Wait, what? Just put the disc in and watch it. Okay, guess I had to do everything almost. This is my favorite. We'll put the disc in. Whoa! Oh no, what's that noise? No, not the black circle, not the E. No, not this. Ah! Told you.